Want crispy fries, juicy chicken, and healthier meals with almost no oil? Today we are looking at the top 5 best air fryers of 2025 that can transform your cooking game. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're cooking for yourself or the whole family, I've rounded up the top 5 air fryers that stand out for performance, versatility, and real customer satisfaction. I'll cover product info, reviews, and pros, so make sure to watch till the end to see which one's right for you. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. COSORI Air Fryer. This 9-in-1 model comes with a premium ceramic-coated basket, precise 9450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control, and a 6-quart capacity big enough for family meals. Reviews? Customers rave about its even cooking results and say the ceramic basket is super easy to clean. Pros? 9-in-1 versatility, roast, bake, proof, broil and more. Up to 95% less oil for healthier meals. Large 6-quart family size. Premium ceramic coating for durability. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryer AF101. A compact 4-in-1 fryer that lets you air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Perfect for smaller households. Reviews? Users love its crispy results on fries and chicken wings while being easy to store in small kitchens. Pros? Compact and beginner-friendly. Reliable Ninja performance. Affordable entry-level option. Perfect for singles or couples. Number 3. Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Air Fryer. This unique model uses Tupperware glass containers that are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. It's a 4QT portable system with 1500 W power. Reviews? Buyers highlight its convenience and versatility, making it ideal for people who want cooking plus storage in one solution. Pros? Glass containers double as storage. 4-in-1 functionality. Portable and space-saving. Easy to clean. Number 4. Chefman Air Fryer Oven. A 12-quart family-size convection air fryer oven with a digital touchscreen and 12 presets. Great for big households. Reviews? Families say it's perfect for cooking multiple items at once, from pizza to chicken wings, and love the dishwasher-safe parts. Pros? Huge 12-quart capacity. 6-in-1 cooking functions. Family-friendly design. Easy cleanup. Number 5. Ninja DualZone DZ302. This powerful air fryer lets you cook 2 different foods at once with dual 5QT baskets, ideal for finishing meals together. Reviews? Users call it a game changer for family dinners, especially for cooking meat and sides at the same time. Pros? Cook 2 foods at once. 6 versatile cooking functions. Holds up to 8 pounds of wings. Trusted Ninja quality. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up the top 5 best air fryers of 2025. If you need all-in-one family-size cooking, the Chefman 12-quart is your best pick. For dual cooking flexibility, go with the Ninja DualZone DZ302. And for affordable, compact performance, the Ninja AF101 is a solid choice. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss future reviews. Quick question. What's the first meal you'd try in your new air fryer? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.